sitting in the dark, annoying neighbours with his punk rock electric guitar. This is the sound in suburbs. This is the sound in suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, Heathrow jets go crashing over our home. 10 o'clock, door door siren driving me mad, won't leave me alone. The woman next door, she sits and stares outside. She hasn't been out ever since her husband died. This is the sound in suburbs. This is the sound in suburbs. Those bitches used to wanna be free. Now they want anarchy. Play too fast, play out of tune. Practice in the singer's bedroom. Drums quite good, bass too loud at night. Can't hear the words. This is the sound in the suburbs. This is the sound in the suburbs. Saturday morning, family shopping around in the centre of town. Young folks sitting on the benches, looking at the young girls walking around. And Johnny stands there at his window looking at the night. Says, hey, what you listening to? There's nothing there. That's right. This is the sound in suburbs. This is the sound.